Polycystic ovarian syndrome is one of the most common hormonal disorder occurring among the women of reproductive age. This is what National Health Portal of India says. About 100 million women across the globe are suffering from PCOD. Hi, this is Dr. Monica Mudgil, a doctor in Ayurveda and co-founder of DHM Wellbeing Private Limited. Today I am here to discuss few points about PCOS. To our surprise, PCOS has been increasing among the urban adolescent generation as compared to their counterparts in rural areas. So, what is the reason behind this? This proves that this is a lifestyle disorder. According to Ayurveda, the reason behind PCOD is Mithya Ahar Vihar, means untrue food habits and untrue life culture. You can take charge of this condition by managing your lifestyle by doing exercises, taking healthy food, staying stress free, and of course, taking medicines. PCOD later on can develop into diabetes, hypertension, infertility, early menopause, and endometrial cancer. So, treatment is necessary. So, here are few tips for you. First of all, maintain your circadian rhythm. The disturbed sleep patterns enhance the PCOD problem manifolds. So, I would suggest early to bed and early to rise. If you are in corporate job, you can make a 10-minute change in your daily routine. Like, you should go for sleep 10 minutes earlier as was your previous routine and wake up 10 minutes prior to the previous timing. Do it for 5 days. And on the 6th day, again make a shift of 10 minutes. At the end of the month, you will be able to wake up 1 hour earlier and to go to bed 1 hour earlier. The second thing is exercise. Do at least 30 minutes of heavy workout, strenuous workout in any part of the day as you prefer. It will help you lose weight and also break down the insulin resistance, which is an important factor playing role in PCOD development. The third important part is food. You should prefer not to take staple, stale or spicy foods. Take more fibers and less carbs. Obviously, you will start losing weight. The fourth thing I would suggest you is try not to take adulterated milk. In India, these days, so many people have been using hormones before milking their cattle. So, these hormones have been raising the hormone levels in young females. So now, if we talk about medicines, being an Ayurvedic physician, I would suggest you to take herbal medicines for PCOD. PCOD is a disease where small type of cysts are formed inside the ovaries. To dissolve these cysts, artificial hormones are given, but they just keep on regulating the cycles but have no effects on cysts. To overcome this problem, our company has designed a herbal product named Cystosys Combo for PCOD. That is a combination of 3 drugs which have proven very good results in this problem. So you can get their link in the subscription box or you can visit our website www.dhmhealth.com. So thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.